Hi, this is my mock-up of using a wiper motor for a servo. Got the idea from James Burton, who's a sort of robot webman. But anyway, I rigged it up like you said. That's the code that we use for the Arduino. That was the setup. There was a little junction there for tapping off signals so I could monitor them. That's the little driver for the motor, a 4B something, and put a feedback pot on the back of the wiper motor. That's the scope signal. What I was finding initially was that because of the PID loop, it was constantly humming like that. So, but what I had to do was, when it gets round about 0, was to turn it off. So I added this little bit of extra code in there, just the last else statement. So basically, if it doesn't see either of two conditions, then set both outputs to 0, which turns them off. And using an offset of 12 there. So, and now you can see on the graph here, as we move the motor, you can see the shape of the top one's the PWM from the RF signal, blue one's the feedback from the pot, and the two bottom ones are the output drives for the drive motor, forward and reverse. Well, you can see as the motor there turns and feeds back itself. It doesn't always turn off, but does most of the time. So you get the odd pulse. There you go, it's turned itself off, so it's found itself at 0. So that was further developments of the wiper motor tuning.